Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this hood latch with a mounting bracket. This hood latch is going to replace a worn or damaged latch on the hood of your Jeep or agricultural vehicle. This is going to help keep your hood closed. It does have a 90-degree mount that's going to allow the hook and the bracket to be mounted on the same plane. So very easy to operate. It is made here in the USA of a steel construction with a black finish, and it's going to be very long lasting for you. It is a very simple bolt-on installation. The mounting hardware is not included. That mounting bolt there, or mounting bracket rather, is going to be approximately 2 1/8 of an inch long by about 1 1/8 of an inch wide. The distance between our mounting holes center to center is approximately 1 1/4 of an inch. Our free length is 3 9/16. I move this over here, you can see that a little bit better. It's going to be hard to display, but our hooking length is 4 1/16, and our extended length is 4 11/16 of an inch. So if you are needing to replace that hood latch for your Jeep or agricultural vehicle, this is going to do a great job for you. That completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.